Oh, this one I'm just scared to open my eyes. It's so strong. Great. I have mascara under. No, you didn't. No, you didn't. Oh, yes, you did. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a get ready with me in the car. And this is like mom style, okay? So I had to drop off my son this morning to school, which is my everyday routine during the week. But today in particular, I have my women's Bible study that I attend at church. And my church is about 20 minutes away from my house. So I also have to pick up some Starbucks because I don't want to be a complete like psycho. I have to praise the Lord in a good attitude. I can't focus either. I don't know what it is about the caffeine, but it kind of like levels me out. If I don't have enough, I'm shaking like a maraca the whole flipping time and I can't concentrate. So yeah, I'm gonna actually do my mobile order, which is, you know, you just use your phone and you can order your drinks. I'm gonna order something to eat and to drink. And as I'm waiting for that to happen, because of course I picked the most popular Starbucks and there's no drive-through, so I have to do this really quick. Okay, doke. Now that I have my mobile order ready, I'm gonna put my hair back into a ponytail because of course it's starting to get kind of hot. The parking lot is popping right now too, so hopefully they don't mind me doing my makeup in the back corner, trying to be private, but it's not really. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just grab all my random products out of my bag and show them to you. I've already moisturized my skin using a new product from Olay. I think it's like their whipped moisturizer. I have all of my products in this bag that I found at Target for $3. Super cute. It's in like that dollar section as soon as you walk in. So I'm gonna go ahead and start by spritzing my face using this mist from Garnier SkinActive. This is their rose water, soothing facial mist with rose water. So I'm gonna go ahead and just spray my face. Okay, and then for my face product, I'm going to be using this Skin Glowing Balm from the Estee edit. I've been absolutely obsessed with this lately. If I want something that's really natural and like looks like I'm not trying, this is definitely going to be my jam. This is in the shade 300 Wheat. It's my favorite. It just makes my face look so like flawless without covering like my freckles and beauty marks or moles on my face. I love this balm because it already gives you like so much highlight without looking shiny. It's supposed to make you look glowy. Next, I'm gonna use some Shape Tape from Tarte Cosmetics. I'm just gonna use a little bit underneath my eyes, not anything too crazy, and on my chin as well. It's like, I know I'm going to church, but I wanna, you know, look good. I don't wanna look like a psycho. Okay, next I'm going to do a little bit of contour. This just helps with my self-esteem, okay? This is not for anybody there. That just helps my fitness progress a little bit because it makes you look like your face is a little bit thinner. Because I have been pumping it up, guys. I've been working out. Next, I'm going to powder my face lightly using this powder from Burts Bees. Hopefully I have the powder brush in here. Yep. I love this powder. It's so good. It's really, really light too. It's just gonna help to control the shine, which is funny because we control the shine, right? We mattify our face to death and then we go in with a highlight to sparkle it back up again. Makes no sense. Now I'm gonna use a little blush from FitMe, from Maybelline. It looks like this is in the shade Plum. Just a little bit of my cheeks like this. Then I'm gonna take Hoola bronzer from Benefit and just a little bit of that to set the contour and to help add some color to my face. It's like really fast. You have to be like ninjas. That's how fast I have to work. Okay, I need a mirror to do my eyebrows. That's like important. My eyebrows are so messy. So I'm gonna use this pencil from Benefit Cosmetics. It's called Precisely My Brow Pencil in the shade number 4. So I ordered some hot tea. I actually ordered a London Fog, which is always like so hot they want me to sue them. So it's kind of nice that I'm giving it a chance to cool down. Oh jeez. Okay. I just want to make them too big. All right, looking good, looking good. I'm gonna use a little bit of Boy Brow from Glossier. Okay, now I did a whole video calling it Glossier. It's not my fault you wanna be fancy. Hello, if you read that, a normal person read that, they're not gonna say Glossier, they're gonna say Glossier. Trying to play me. A little bit of Boy Brow. This is just gonna help to make them look fuller and then also set my brows so they're not wicked. I'm gonna do a little bit of highlight, and this one is from NARS. If you guys wanna see like a similar routine but using only drugstore, let me know in the comments down below. So I'm gonna add a little bit of this highlight to my face. Oh, this is so pretty. Okay, just a little bit on my nose, a little bit on the top of my lip. Okay, I'm almost done. Now all I need is a little bit of mascara. Okay, so this one here is the Total Temptation mascara from Maybelline New York. I'm not gonna do any eyeshadow because honestly, it's way too early for that. What time is it? Because I wanna keep my face looking natural and like I didn't try, but you guys know the secret. You guys know I did try. Then I'm gonna set my face using this Coola. I thought I said Coola. I was like, excuse me? It says Coola or Cool, yeah, it's Coola face spray. And you guys, I got this in my eyeball and it burned my face so badly. Now, I definitely love the setting spray from Urban Decay. I think it's called like All Nighter or something like that. Oh, this one I'm just scared to open my eyes. It's so strong. Great. I have mascara under. No, you didn't. No, you didn't. Oh, yes, you did. Back in action. Back in action. Why they have to do me like that? Okay, that's cool. Then I'm gonna use a little bit of BLISTEX DCT and just go in there with my fingernail. Good thing I have short nails, because if not, I would be having this lip balm underneath my nails for the rest of my life. Oh, my lips are so crustified. Huh? I think I have something in here for that. I think it's from Revlon. Is it Revlon? What is this? Yeah, it's Revlon Kiss. It's like an exfoliant for my lips. Ooh, it's kind of sharp. Ooh, it's like for thugs. Huh? Okay, I did nothing. Fantastic. Okay, you know what? This is the real deal, guys. Most times moms just have to wing it, right? We just have to just be like, just go with it. And then whatever's in your hands, it becomes lotion, even if it's not supposed to be. Then I'm gonna top it all off using Jefferee Starr's Celebrity Skin. It's my favorite. I actually ordered a second one because I went through the first one so fast. It's one of my favorites. And then I can also kind of go over my lip line just a little bit to make my lips appear fuller than they are. And that's really it. Then I'm gonna just take my hair down. All right. And that's it. That is my makeup routine, mom style, on the run, or busy girl style, because I got things to do, okay, guys? I'm multitasking. I'm waiting for my coffee and my breakfast while hanging out with you guys at the same time. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you have not already joined my family, and I'll see you guys in the next one.